In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Microsoft Project. A timeline is a high-level visual summary of your schedule that's perfect for presentations, reports, and quick status meetings. By the end, you'll be able to turn it on, add the right tasks, polish the look, and share it with your stakeholders. First, let's make the timeline view visible. In Microsoft Project for Desktop, go to the View tab on the ribbon and check the box labeled Timeline. When it's on, a timeline strip appears above your main Gantt chart or whatever view you're using. If you don't see it right away, there's a quick alternative. Right-click anywhere in the Gantt area and choose Show Timeline. That instantly docks the timeline at the top, so you can work on it while you manage your tasks below. With the space ready, start adding the items you want to highlight. In the Gantt chart, or any task list, right-click a task or a milestone and select Add to Timeline. Repeat that for each key deliverable or checkpoint you want to communicate. Tasks will show up as horizontal bars spanning their start and finish dates, while milestones appear as markers on the exact date. You can remove an item later by right-clicking it on the timeline and choosing the Remove option, so don't worry about being too cautious at first. Next, customize the timeline so it's clear and engaging. Click the Timeline area to reveal the Format tab. If your version supports bar labels, select a bar and rename it using Format, then Bar Label to make the wording presentation friendly. You can also adjust colors for bars, text, and the background right from the Format tools, which helps group phases or draw attention to milestones. To improve readability, drag items up or down to separate rows or to emphasize sequence. If you need to present different phases or audiences, add multiple timeline bars to display alternate views without changing your underlying schedule. When your timeline looks right, share it. With the timeline selected, go to Format and choose Copy Timeline. Then paste it directly into PowerPoint, Word, or an email in Outlook. It's a quick way to align everyone without exporting the full plan. You can also print or save the timeline graphic alongside your project file for your records. That's it. You now have a clean, high-level timeline ready for any presentation or status update.